Hello, my name is Katinka. I live on the south point of Africa and the sea is that way. My quest for handmade Christmas presents are continuing, and today I am looking at this tablecloth I grew up with. I know there's places where I actually cut it with a knife when I was little, and there's other places where the material is a bit threadbare, like there. But the reality is I can only use so many tablecloths. The reality is also that this is a beautiful cotton. It's nice and thick, and this is going to make really nice drying cloths. So I am going to cut this up. So let's grab this and cut it out. Oh, I'm excited. Bubbles, excuse me. I'm trying to work here, boy. Time to cut. I love this sound. When I was little, I used to sit under the table while my mom was working. She did clothes sometimes on order, my granny as well. And then they would cut out on the top of the table. Okay, I've cut the bottom part. Let's get some pins. Then just fold it over. Now when you take your pin and you put it in, I like to do it this way, in and out, because then when you sew, it's easy to take them out. Okay, I opened my two tea towels and let's go and sew it. Oh, I love the light. It is just perfect. Lights on, even though I think there's enough light from there. Still, so after I pinned it all in place like that, I am now just going to sew it right around. So almost done. This always makes me so excited when I put it there. Working with this piece of material, and I came across all the flaws and I thought, oh my goodness, there's no way I can actually use it even for the purpose that I had in mind. I realized that those flaws makes it. Every one of these little holes tell a story, and the material is still perfect. It's just got a few holes in it, and it's not big holes. And I feel sometimes in life we have flaws in us. Oh, I love it. So I've decided to embrace the flaws and actually to celebrate it. So all the little holes got stars around them. I hope you look at the things in your life that you think is flaws or problems or mistakes, and that you will see the potential in that, and that you will actually embrace it. I am off now to go and clean these, because as you saw, I took this tablecloth off the table. But I do have two details. I will show you in the next video how I make the apron. But today I'll finish these details and call it a day. Thanks for watching. If you watched it and you liked it, please hit the like button. And if you would like to see more, please subscribe. I'll chat to you soon. Bye.